He drives pretty fast. He should be the next
Hey guys, so we're back at the dog park, May 15th, Wednesday. So yeah, we have quite a few dogs in here. Of course, as usual, the Husky crew is here. Lots of Huskies. Yeah, so I'm not sure I've seen this. Oh, okay, yeah, I have seen this dog. Wow. Knows water that belongs to.
It's because, did you have her as a puppy? It's because you let her, like, you could have been, you know, being sharing. Here she don't like to share. Ah, don't get near the wall. She's more established. Now,
Yeah, so it's actually pretty overcast today. The weather is really cool. Sorry, I got interrupted. There was a little Chihuahua alert over here, so yeah, but it's actually pretty cool out here. It's like low 70s, so perfect weather for the dogs. Let me see if maybe Bodie wants his rope toy. Let's find out where he is too. Let's see, where is Bodie? Oh, he's way over there by the fence. Bodie, come! This way. No. Bodie, right here. Come on. No. Look. Look. Do you want this? Oh, yeah. I guess that's a yes, huh? Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Oh, shoot. Sit. What, you want to chase it or no? Ready? Get it. Uh-oh, what happened, Bodie? You didn't grab it.
No, that's not good. They look like
she says that she does something. I know you guys are becoming besties.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, Bodie's World. B-O-D-H-I apostrophe S.
B-O-D-H-I
apostrophe S.
Dodger. Come on, buddy.
Dodger, and what's your other dog's name? Luna. And they're both still puppies, right?
She's about a year, and he just turned 7 months yesterday.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay. So he has to get bigger. Wow.
Yeah. Merle, Great Dane. You don't see those very often.
Right, right. Wow.
How old is
So,
Bodie?
let me see. Oh, gosh. Let me see. When is his birthday? May. I think his birthday is like May 18th. Is it 18th or 16th?
Oh, it's coming
But
up.
he'll be 7 years old.
It's coming up then.
Right. Yeah, it is.
End of this week.
So, let's see. Which one did you get first?
I got Luna first.
Okay, Luna the Doberman first. Okay. And then him.
I got him maybe about like 4 months ago.
Oh, 4 months ago. Okay.
About 2 months ago.
No issues with them getting along?
No, not at all.
Okay. Okay.
They do like to roughhouse a lot though.
Oh, I see. I
Roughhouse,
see.
wear each other out.
I see.
That's the main point.
I see. Wow. So is she like your first Doberman or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow. Did you have other dog breeds before in the
I did,
past?
yeah.
Oh yeah. What'd you have?
I had small dogs. I had like little poodles.
Okay.
We had I had a pit bull.
Okay.
and we got a boxer as well.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but
Okay.
that was at my mother's house. Now that I have my own place,
I
that's my
see.
first dog on my own. You know?
Oh, so the boxer was like a family dog,
Yeah, it's a
same with the
family
pit
dog.
bull. Okay.
But she's mine. You know?
Oh.
You know what I mean? She's we
Okay.
got her when we moved into our new place.
I see. Do you ever bring your dogs to visit or?
At my mom's house?
Right.
Yeah, I do. They all get along.
Oh, great, great.
Are you allergic to nuts?
It's just not the biggest of yards, so I don't take them very, very often.
Oh, I see. Is she looking for something right now?
For frisbee, probably.
Oh, oh.
Yeah, she loves to play with people.
I think she's curious of the
She's curious.
baby. Wait, she knows the baby.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your wife. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's her dog.
Okay, okay. Now I understand. Now I understand why you didn't say, "Oh, I'm sorry about my dog."
No, that's my daughter. She'll pull the dog's ears.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
wow.
they mess with each other all day long.
Okay. Wow.
Dodgers and our
So, who's harder to take care of, the dogs or the baby? The
I would
dogs?
say the dogs. I would
Yeah?
say the baby.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's see what Bodie's up to. I guess he's running the fence line. I don't know what he's looking for. Probably looking for the treat guy. Is the treat guy even here? Yeah, he's there. Over there in the overalls. Bodie! Look, you want your rope toy, huh? You want it? 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 Come on. There you go. Good boy. So Napoleon sees the tree guy, that's why he's howling. They all see the tree guy. Yeah, they're all lining up for the tree guy. I was the worst losers at this rock show. Walking and
You're going home, Luna. You can't stop going home.
You got a waiver, huh?
Hey!
A waiver.
Hey!
Okay, that's enough.
Oh my god.
Ah,
I got her!
wow, good job.
Roger, come here, buddy.
You can caught by a human.
Luna.
Good job, Emma. Come on, go. Go, Jeff.
He doesn't want to go with me. I don't have any treats.
No, never mind.
Uh-oh, I was gonna say he sees a treat guy, but
You cannot stop going home. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Come on, Lula. We're going back home.
All right, let's see what Bodhi's up to. Let's see, probably looking for gophers. Okay, it's like, yeah, he's over there by the tunnels.
They never stop school off, right? 24/7, right? Studying. I rest a lot. I rest a lot. Good. You look rested. I thought that was just that's what I thought. I thought that was funny look.
You know what? I'm picking up your crazy conversation over here.
It's a free country, right? We have the right freedom of speech here.
You're going to drive away my audience over in Cambodia who's watching.
Maybe that.
What did you say? What?
She's joking. She's
You actually look better than you
You
normally
look
do.
better than the other days.
Hey, come on, get down
I
now.
like that she's knowing when to jab bag. Oh, yeah, she's coming already.
Looks like you're filming.
So she's trying to Bodhi-proof her bag because it has treats in it.
Wait till you look at it. Yeah. Good job. But then they're actually going to have to climb over.
Okay, so I suppose it's Bodhi-proofed. I don't know if he's going to try to still get it.
Oh, does he want to go water? Oh, look at she's giving me a hug.
No, that's the wrong kind of hug.
She's giving me a hug. Oh, I love you too, baby. I love you too.
That's like the most exercise she's had in a week.
Your dog don't give you a hug like that?
Oh, gosh. All right, guys, so there's plenty of dogs in here, but right now they aren't all that active. But yeah, it looks like we're going to end the video here and then hopefully pick up later for another video. So we really appreciate you watching, and we hope that if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. We would love to have you. Also, if you can, please press the like button on this video. It helps us a lot. So yeah, we appreciate you all. We hope you're doing well. We hope your dogs are doing well. Your families are doing well. And we hope to see you on the next episode of Bodhi's World. Everyone stay safe and take care.